Hi everyone, my name is Megan Stackhouse, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office here in Grand Junction, Colorado. And we're back today to talk about the October 2020 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. So jumping right in, our top weather story of the month was definitely the October 24th through 26th early season winter storm. This was a really strong and dynamic cold front that moved into the region, rapidly changing precipitation from rain to snow in the valleys. We saw generally 5 to 15 inches of snow in the northern and central valleys. And we also set a snowfall record here at Grand Junction. Additionally, in the Grand Valley, we had numerous power outages as a result of the really wet, heavy snow that was just sitting on the trees and the power lines. And we also had numerous travel issues, especially along I-70 as a result of this storm. And finally, behind this system, we did see bitterly cold temperatures move into the region. We had numerous record cold high temperatures and record low temperatures set across the region in its wake. Looking at temperatures across the region during the month of October, high temperatures were generally in the upper 70s to mid 80s, with the warmest being 85 at Candylands and Moab, and the coldest high temperature being 78 in Aspen. Looking at the coldest temperatures for the month of October, again, after that system moved through, the 27th was generally the coldest day across much of the region. So the coldest low temperature was negative 17 degrees in Meeker on the 27th. And the most mild was Durango with 21 degrees, but still plenty cold for this time of year. Grand Junction, we bottomed out at 11 degrees, and other sites that were at below zero were Aspen, Rifle, and Craig, again, all on the 27th. Looking at precipitation across the region for the month of October, even with that one system, that was really kind of it for the month, unfortunately. So most of all 10 of our climate stations ended the month with below normal precipitation. The most precipitation actually did fall at the Grand Junction Airport with 0.59 inches, which was almost half an inch below normal for the month of October. The least amount of precipitation fell at the Vernal Airport with only 1/100th of an inch of precipitation, which was 1.38 inches below normal. Overall, most of our climate sites were generally at least half an inch to over an inch below normal for the month. And as a result of the continued below normal precipitation, the extreme to exceptional drought does persist across our region. And looking at the drought outlook for the rest of November, it is looking like the drought is going to persist. And finally, looking at the Climate Prediction Center's 1-month outlook for the rest of November, like we've seen so far this month, odds are favoring above normal temperatures across eastern Utah and western Colorado, with below normal precipitation across the region favored as well. And that wraps up our October 2020 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you all next month. Bye, guys.